Hello viewers, are you sitting for the Neco 2022 examination? Then this solution to these questions will be very interesting. Will interest you. We are going to look at the solutions to Neco 2021 objective pass questions. Question number 1 to 50, but we are going to be taking it two questions per videos. This will be very interesting, and I want you to hit the subscribe button so as to get these videos once they are published. Without wasting much time, I want us to go straight to the first two questions. Now, if you review the NECO 2021 objective pass questions, you'll find out that the first question we were asked, we told to what? To express 0.001025 in standard form. Now, if you are given a question like this, what is the first thing you should do? Now, you should note that when expressing values or numbers in standard form, when you count from your left to your right, your outcome is going to be a negative power. And when you count from your right to your left, the outcome is going to be a positive power. So once you have these 2 points at the back of your mind, you are good to go. Now, when we have that value, we have 0.001025. Now, with the point over here, we are going to count from our left to our what? To our right. Now let's go. If we count from our left to our right, we are going to count this value from our left to our right. That will give us 1, this will give us 2, and this will give us what? 3. So we are going to have 1 point. We're going to have 1.025, right, times 10 raised to power. Remember, we counted how many? 1, 2, and what? 3. 10 raised to power minus what? 3. Recall I told you, if you count from your left to your right, you're going to have a negative power. So this is going to be our result. So question number 1, our correct option is C. Now let's look at the next question. The next question says we should find the positive difference between rounding up of 3,847,934,000 to the nearest billion and what? And millions. Now, this is going to be an interesting question because 1, you need to find the nearest billion, and then you need to find the nearest million, and then you should do what? You should find their difference, which is what? The subtraction of these two values. Now, the nearest billion of this value, the nearest billion is going to give us what? 4 billion. Because if we approximate this is more than 5, so we'll approximate this to make 3 4. So that will give us 4000, right, 000, right, and 0 0 and 0. So this is to the nearest what? The nearest billion. Now we want to look at the value we can get to the nearest million. Now, if you want to find the value to the nearest million, what do you think the value will be? This is 3,847,000,000. So if we are finding to the nearest million, our 3 will be included, right? 8 will be included, right? Because 8 is under million. 4 will be included. Now notice that between 7 and 9, 7 is the last value for the million, the lowest of the million. Now the next value is 9, which means it is more than 5. So it can be what? Approximated. It will be approximated. We'll take 1 from that value and put here. That will make this what? That will make this 8. So this will give us 0, 0, 0, and what? 0, 0, and what? 0. So that is to the nearest what? To the nearest million. Good. So having gotten these two values, you are asked to find the positive what? Difference between these two values. So the positive difference will be what? The 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 3, 8, 4, 8, 0, 0, 0, and what? 0, 0, 0. Now if you subtract these two values, you're going to have what? You're going to have this value. If you subtract this from this, you are going to have 1, 5, 2. During your Neco, you'll be requested to use your calculator, so you can use your calculator. 152, 0, 0, 0, and what? 0, 0, 0. So if you look at this very well, the correct option is what? Option B. So you see, this is the solution to the first two questions. In our next video, we are going to bring you the solution of question number 3 and question number 4. They both has to do with evaluation and simplification of what? Of powers, indical powers. Don't miss that video. Hit the subscribe button so that once that video is published, you can be able to be notified once they are published. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you watch the subsequent edition of this video.